Let's blow out my hair. If you have naturally straight hair, I'm jealous of you. Don't get me wrong, I love to wear my hair natural once in a while, but nothing beats a good blowout. If you love the look of a bouncy blowout, but you hate the noise of a blow dryer, you need this hair tool. This is the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush, and you get the most beautiful blowout look without the noise of the blow dryer. It's the best. I get so many comments every single day telling me to embrace my natural hair. I am grateful to have the hair I have. I love that I can switch it up whenever I want. If I want to wear my hair curly, I can. If I want to wear it straight, I can. But you cannot sit there and tell me that curly hair is not harder to deal with than straight hair. I would love to embrace my natural curls, but that's actually harder than styling it. First section done, I just cannot get over this brush. But back to what I was saying, it is just easier to style my hair because of the fact when I wear my hair curly, the next day it looks absolutely insane, whereas if I style it, it actually looks good for a couple of days. It would actually be impossible to get my natural hair to look good on the second day. Look at this difference. I actually think it's a huge misconception that heat styling your hair is difficult. Do you want to know what difficult is? Doing an entire curly hair routine just to get one good day out of it. If you're a naturally curly haired girl too, I'm here to tell you it is totally acceptable if you want to heat style your hair. I still love curly hair. I'll still try out new curly hair routines, but at the end of the day, I love heat styling. Like, come on, look at this, and I'm not even done yet. I want to say something. I do not think it's healthy to hate your natural features. I really do think we should all aim to learn to love our curls, but there's nothing wrong with having a preference. You can prefer a blowout or straight hair. I don't think that's unhealthy, but we should be able to look in the mirror with our curly hair and like that too. Because while it might be harder to deal with, it is still beautiful. I mean, can you really blame me for heat styling when tools like this exist? It literally works like a dream. And what we've all been waiting for, this is the final look. What do you guys think? This brush is everything. But yeah, I want to know what you prefer. Do you like a blowout and straight hair, or do you rather your natural curls? Let me know in the comments.